Good morning. Are you rushed during the day? I am getting ready for work. I'm going to make myself a smoothie. So I'm just adding 30 grams of protein here. And 1 scoop of this beet powder. I love this stuff. Good stuff. And I'm going to do a tablespoon of chia seeds and get some fiber in. So I'm going to give this a good shake. Set it off to the side. And in the meantime, I'm going to make a snack for myself for after dinner or after work, whatever I feel. And I'm using this yogurt. It has 15 grams of protein in it. Ooh. And this is a wonderful recipe. And then I just add a little container of this Activia. Pour it right on there like that. And then in here, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of chia seeds. I'm gonna use a fork to give that a little mix. And this is delicious. If you have some fresh blueberries or frozen blueberries, you can pop those right on top. So I'm just gonna set this in the refrigerator for later. Now I have 10 grams of protein left in my day. I'm gonna take some chicken to work with me that I made yesterday. And I'm gonna eat that and get my protein in. So if you want a quick snack or a quick breakfast, give it a try. It's delicious. This snack is only 220 calories. It has 21 grams of protein, 6 fiber. And the drink has 30 grams of protein and 8 fiber. So have a wonderful day. Enjoy this beautiful sunny day. Love and light. Namaste.